So good.
Still good as ever. What's the difference between Spanish bread and tapasol? What's in Spanish bread?
There's some kind of other feeling in Spanish. I just feel like they put more ube in Spanish bread than the pepan.
Tastes nice.
Guys, we're in the city kasi pinaayos ni Byron finally ang kanyang commitment bracelet.
Committed again.
Yeah, he's committed in our relationship again. And ngayon, nandito lang kami sa Meijer because I'm looking for a dress for our engagement shoot. Although, may nakita na akong dress online, which I think yun na talaga yung kukunin ko kasi very cute siya from Meshki lang, tapos mura lang siya. And maghahanap din ako ng mga white heels just to try on. Pero again, may nakita na din ako online. Kailangan ko na lang siya i-order and, you know, just actually decide if I really want that or not. But it's good to check other stuff in the store just in case may mas maganda akong makita dito. So, hello, this is nice. This is nice, like a wedding dress. But I just hope I have a different color. Product.
Good? Actual ice cream. Where's the milk cream?
And get your chop. That's a bit small. Oh wait, there's two different. Guys, we're trying this skewers here at Town Hall. Kanina pa kami palakad-lakad sa city, alam nyo ba? Hindi namin alam saan kami pupunta. We were supposed to look for dresses and shoes, heels for the engagement shoot na. Pero, wala naman akong mahanap sa Meijer and then nakahanap din ako online. So, I'm just gonna order that. And wala namang maganda dun kanina sa Meijer's, guys. Parang pang oldies siya. So, hindi siya for me. And in terms of shoes naman, parang wala din akong nakita. So, I'll just stick to what I saw online and order ko na lang mamaya. So, ito na siya, guys. So, we got, what do we got? Pork belly. This is one. And where's my squid? Ooh, my favorite squid. And then wagyu. Pakita mo yung wagyu, love.
Okay.
It's not wagyu.
You guys find it eventually.
Somewhere there. May wagyu dyan. Guys, pauwi na sana kami, but then I forgot. I need to get a moisturizer, face moisturizer from W Cosmetics. Buti na lang, ni-remind ako ni Byron. Kasi ubos na talaga yung moisturizer ko eh. So, we're just walking to the nearest W Cosmetics and go home after. Boys, hinahanap ko yung oat something. na Purito Moisturizer. Pero parang wala. Guys, wala sila dyan sa George Street na W Cosmetics. So I'm gonna try to the other side. Pitt Street ata yung isa. Doon malapit sa chemist doon. Basta. Samahan niyo na lang ako. Malapit lang naman siya. Pwede ko naman siyang orderin online, kaso wala na talaga kasi ako eh. And nandito na kami, so might as well check it, right? Guys, it's closed.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow